Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your online business with Salesforce, complete guide step by step clearly. To secure your online business with Salesforce, start by understanding the importance of data security. Begin by assessing your business needs and identifying the sensitive data you handle. Create a Salesforce account if you haven't already. Log into your Salesforce dashboard to access security settings. Navigate to the Setup menu by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner. In the Quick Find box, type Security to access security options. Review user permissions carefully to ensure that only authorized personnel can access sensitive information. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for all users to add an extra layer of security. Next, implement IP restrictions to limit access to your Salesforce account from specified locations. Regularly update user profiles and permissions as team members join or leave the company. Monitor login history to identify any unusual activities or unauthorized access attempts. Utilize Salesforce Shield if your business requires additional compliance with data protection regulations. Leverage the event monitoring feature to track user activities within the platform. Establish regular data backups to prevent loss in case of a security breach. Educate your team about security best practices, emphasizing the importance of strong passwords. Encourage the use of unique passwords for each user and mandate periodic password changes. Implement data encryption to protect sensitive information both at rest and in transit. Regularly conduct security audits to identify potential vulnerabilities within your Salesforce setup. Stay updated with Salesforce releases to ensure you are using the latest security features. Consider consulting with a cybersecurity expert to evaluate your overall security posture. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance the security of your online business with Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typo. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.